I want to make a protein snack, but I don't know what I want to make. Can you help me figure out what to make and how long does that take?
We can walk you step by step through the process, holding your hand, even if you don't know the slightest bit about launching a functional food. And the initial kind of conversation to product and market can be done in less than 12 to 14 weeks.
What if I bring you a protein snack that I like? Can you copy that or make something similar to it for me?
Yeah, we can reverse engineer from an ingredient perspective, macro perspective, and just the understanding of what that product might be. Some will be more complicated than others, but we can reverse engineer the product.